colors. Make the wrong face, man. Duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man. Hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle.
Hey everybody. Yesterday I changed the oil in the S-10. Today I'm going to do the spark plugs. I worked this weekend, so I don't have a whole lot of time to do much. Because by the time I wake up, it's time to, go back to work. But I'm about to change these spark plugs. It's got like a little hesitation when I do crank it up. Like it doesn't want to turn over. It almost sounds like a bad battery, but I replaced the battery yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I got new valves coming. These valves stick, so whenever you let the air out, it's actually letting the air out the tank, and that's not a good thing. Don't know why it does that, but I'll fix that. So yeah, let's change these plugs and see what they look like. The truck's supposed to have 40-something thousand miles, but I know for a fact that you can take the dash cluster, the gauges, out of another S-10 as long as it's like a 2,000 up, I believe it is, to another 2,000 and up S-10, and the odometer stays whatever it came out the truck out. So you could actually go to a junkyard, find a low mileage truck, pull the cluster out, put it in this one, and you can say whatever you want. The title had exempt on it. So I have a suspicion that this truck probably has more miles than I was told, but I'm about to find out from changing spark plugs, because they won't lie. Okay, so I ran into a problem. Let me get a light on. So here's a problem I ran into. If you look at the spark plug right there, you will notice that there is no nut on the bottom of it. It has done rusted out. So I don't know what to do about that. I thought maybe I couldn't get to it, so I took off this nut here. Thought that's probably why I wasn't getting my socket to catch. But oh no, that was not the case. The nut has completely rusted away. So I'm going to do the other three and hope they're not the same. Here's how my day's been going. I've changed one spark plug. One, the threads are left in the engine. And two of them, let's see if I can show you. Have nothing to attach my socket to. The whole nut has been rotted out. So that's how my day's been going today. So that's probably I'm gonna be recording today because I don't have much time before I go to work. So yeah. Happy times, happy times. Well, she's all back together again. I had two snap off on me that I had to use a extractor and get the threads out of. The other two, the ones that I showed you, it looked like it didn't have no thread. I took the air hose and blew it out, and bada boom, bada bing, I had threads again. I mean, not threads, but a little socket part, yeah. But I got the plugs changed. Excuse me. That's the problem I'm trying to figure out. I'm not sure why it hesitates like it does. New battery, new plugs. The only thing I know to change next will be my fuel pump. Maybe the fuel pump's getting weak, I don't know. But that's next. So here's my little update. I actually gotta leave here in a couple minutes to go to work. Everything's running good again. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.
Wrong colors, make the wrong face, man. Duck and grab cover. Bullets fly straight, man. Hit the wrong mother as she struggles down in a puddle.